This is our rainy day activity, face painting. He decided to wear an old costume and have his face painted as a tiger. First, we start by cleaning his face with a face wipe. Then I use the kids' paints and I start off with white around the snout area or his little lip area. Then I add the yellow all throughout the face. And finally, the orange. It's hard to do this with a 2-year-old. It keeps on moving around, but if you keep on layering and sponging it on, you'll be able to get a little tigery skin look. Once you're done with the orange all around the face, you're ready to paint the nose black. And then the whiskers, of course. Adding the stripes throughout the face. I randomly do stripes different every single time. But in general, just around the face, little stripes and whiskers. And that's it. Pretty easy. If you need to clean anything up, just use a little baby wipe or a face wipe and clean it up and repaint it.